Improving audio desync in PUBG can enhance your gaming experience by ensuring that sound cues match the action on screen. Follow these steps to address audio desync issues. Step 1. Check audio settings. Go to the settings menu in PUBG and navigate to the audio settings. Ensure that the audio output device is correctly selected and that the volume levels are balanced. Step 2. Update audio drivers. Visit the website of your sound card manufacturer or your computer's manufacturer to check for the latest audio drivers. Download and install any updates to ensure optimal performance. Step 3. Adjust in-game audio settings. Experiment with different audio settings within PUBG, such as enabling or disabling spatial audio, to see if it resolves the desync issue. Sometimes, certain settings may work better depending on your hardware. Step 4. Optimize system performance. Close any unnecessary background applications that may be using system resources. This can help reduce lag and improve audio synchronization during gameplay. Step 5. Restart the game. If you continue to experience audio desync, try restarting PUBG. This can refresh the game and may resolve temporary glitches affecting audio performance. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate audio desync issues in PUBG, leading to a more immersive gaming experience.